Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, September 16. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of Apple, 30 minutes chart here. Okay, so you can see we ended with P over here. This is a primary degree. The subdivision, we can see P and C, so it is in the form of a flat, expanded flat. We can take a look at it from the larger time frame later on, but it ended with P, and then now it is going down in a C-leg, and the C-leg needs to subdivide into 5 waves. We can see this 1 and 2. So now we are within this wave 3 of C. Within wave 3 of C, it further subdivides into 5 waves in the smaller degree again, right? So we got this 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal ending 1 of 3. 2 of 3 could be finished here, and then now looking for the downside, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and so on to finish the 3 in blue, and then 4 in blue, 5 in blue before we finish C in black. Okay, so now let's zoom out a little bit to get an idea where we are. So here we have the 4 hour, right? So this is the same B over here. I'm putting it here in the 4 hour, and this is the A, and we got a ABC flat like we talked about. This is the B, this is the C, and this is the A, expanded flat. Okay, and so we're talking about this cycle that started from August 2022, right? This peak here. So the decline from August 18 here is in the form of an ABC, right? And we are now in the C. We have broken below all the previous low. So the C needs to be in 5 ways. We only have 1 and 2 so far, like we saw earlier here. So this is your 1 of C, this is 2 of C. So we still have more downside to be to finish a 5 ways down from here to finish the C leg. Now in terms of possible target on the downside, if you just simply measure the extension of the ABC, then you can see we can get a 100% extension towards 142, which is the potential target on the downside. Now if you look at it from the shorter cycle, which is this 1 2, right? So if you just simply measure the extension, typically wave 3 can go to 1.618, but let's just assume the minimum that we might expect for wave 3 move, which is the 100%, right? So it can go to 145. So it depends on your kind of time frame that you're looking at. So if you want to be a more shorter cycle than 145 seems to be achievable, as long as we can continue to go down and stay below this 164. So this is the key level. The P here is going to be in the key level for the downside. Okay. So ideally also stays below this wave 2 as well here, ideally, which is the 157, right? Now what could be an option or a alternate down in which we might rally like this and break above 2, for example. It is possible in the case of an expanded flat, for example, from here, like an A B, and then a C leg like this, right? Expanded flat like this is a possibility, right? It's a possibility before going down again. So that's why this is the key level is 164.9, not necessarily this 157. However, if this count here is correct, then 157 is also going to hold for the downside, right? But the alternate can be like an expanded flat, or it could also be something like this. So this could be a 4 here, it could be a 3 here. Not really ideal, but it's possible. And then you can get a 5, a 5 of 1 here, and then suddenly you're correcting in wave 2, which is a correction of this entire decline in a bigger drift rally before going down again, right? So again, those are the options, but those are not primary view, right? The primary view remains that We got this one too, so now looking for further downside. So ideally stays below 157 as well, but this is the key level 164.9. As long as we stay below here, any rally should fail in 3 swing or 7 swing and continues to go down. Target on the downside is going to be, if you use this one too, 145. If you use this AP, it will be 142. Okay, so that's the update for today. If you want to get other updates in stocks, indices, ETF, Forex, cryptos, commodities, you feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and we have a limited time promotion right now. The 14 days trial is only 99 cents, so almost no risk for you to try our service. And the link is going to be in the description of the YouTube video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.